फ्रेंड्स, हाय. पुन्हा एकदा घेऊन आलोय तुमच्या आवडीचा कार्यक्रम लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. सादर करतोय लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
Guys, welcome back, and we are here on 17th, that is a Sunday. So, guys, we will start with our quiz. So, let's start. We will be having 6 rounds. All rounds will have various different types of questions. Before the beginning of every round, I will let you know about the structure and the types of question and all those things. So, are we ready?
Yes, by all means.
Good. So, let us start round 1. Take your pick.
Yes.
I will ask each participant 3 questions. The first question will have 3 options, second question will have 4 options, and the third question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, only one is the correct answer. You have to tell me which is the correct answer. So, who should we begin with? Okay, no problem. So, your first question is, what is aurum, A-U-R-U-M, aurum, better known as today? Platinum, silver, or gold?
Gold.
Yes, that is absolutely
Wow.
correct. Aurum comes from the name of a Greek goddess, Aurora, because gold shines and is really wonderful.
Wow.
Which mountain range is divided into Sambhar Sirohi range and Sambhar Khetri range?
Himalaya.
Let me...
Options.
Satpura, Himalaya, Aravali, or Nilgiri?
Himalaya.
Himalaya, what do you think?
Himalaya.
No, it is Aravali.
Oh.
Okay.
Your last question is, Kamban, Kritibas, and Tulsidas have written different versions of what? Ramayana, Upanishad, Ved, Puran, or Mahabharata?
Ramayana.
What do you think?
Yes.
Ramayana
it's
is the correct answer. And yes, if I forgot to tell you, which I have, all questions in round 1 are worth 5 points. So you have just earned 10 points. Congratulations.
Wow.
Now, let us move on to our second participant, Suhita.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
In Mahabharata, who was Nakul's mother? Kunti, Madri, or Gandhari?
Madri.
What do you think?
Yes, that's
Yes, that is the absolutely correct answer. Akuri is a traditional dish of which community? अकुरी हे व्यंजन कोण खातात? म्हणजे कोणत्या संप्रदायात हे जास्त खाल्लं
म्हणजे
जातं?
गोड ना, गोड पदार्थ. स्वीट
नाही.
डिश.
ट्रेडिशनल डिश,
ओके ओके.
व्यंजन.
Akuri नाव आहे.
पारसी, बुद्धिस्ट, जैन और सिख?
Puri. It's a Parsi.
What do you think?
I think it's Parsi.
Yes, both of you are absolutely right. Third question. Who directed the 2005 film Iqbal? 2005 मध्ये इक्बाल या सिनेमाचं निर्देशन कोणी केलं? नागेश कुक्कुनूर, मीरा नायर, रोहित शेट्टी, मोहित सुरी और गौरी शिंदे?
It's first Nagesh Kukunur.
What do you think?
I don't know.
श्रेयस तळपदे
Maybe
आणि
गौरी
श्वेता
शिंदे.
प्रसाद त्याचंच ना
Maybe
सिनेमा.
Gauri Shinde. No, it is Nagesh Kukkunur. You are absolutely correct. So you have scored 15 points, which is the perfect score for round 1. Now, guys, that concludes round 1. Take your pick. Now, let us have round 2. What's the question? In this round, we will do the reverse. I will give you the answer, you give me the question.
Yes.
So, let us again begin with you.
Yes.
The fabric calico is named after a city in this state. Calico हे कापड ह्या राज्यातल्या एका शहरावरून नाव आलेलं आहे.
Oh, हा हा प्रश्न. Repeat
Yeah.
answer.
The fabric calico is named after a city in this state.
Which type of fabric you find in Calicut?
No, I was looking for the state. I asked you.
Calicut?
I asked Calicut is the right answer.
Yes,
I asked
yes.
you. named
Bengal,
after a city. No,
West
it is
Bengal.
Calicut is in Kerala. So you don't get
माहिती
points for
होतं
that.
मला.
He gave Kohinoor its name. ह्याने कोहिनूरला हे नाव दिलं?
वन ब्रिटिश
आय वॉन्ट द नेम.
येस येस
नो आयडिया.
Nadir Shah. No.
Absolutely correct.
Nadir Shah,
Who was
British
Nadir
होता
Shah?
कोणी.
Nadir Shah was a Persian ruler. He gave Kohinoor the name. Your third question is, in Ramayana, he was Shatrughna's father.
Who was Dashrath?
Yes, absolutely correct. So you have scored 10 points in this round. Now, let us have our second participant. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
It comprised of one big Oscar and 7 little ones.
Oh, it's Academy Award.
No.
No idea.
How was Walt Disney given his Oscar award for Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs?
Oh, हा
So
पण
they
तरी वाटलंच
played a
मला
prank.
7.
They give one big Oscar and 7 little ones. Those people like to have a joke sometimes. So that was the question. Your second answer is Changi Airport.
Which is the airport at seashore.
Seashore. There are infinitely many seashore airports. No, I was not looking for that.
Which
Would you
is
like to try? It's not for points.
okay. Which airport set in China?
No, there are many airports in China. I was
The
looking
Geo
for
was a
what
Chinese
is the
airport.
name of airport in Singapore.
Okay.
The Changi is the name of the airport in Singapore. Singapore has this only one major airport, so it is named Changi. Your third answer is Moonwalk, the book.
Which book did
Not trying?
Armstrong wrote?
No.
Which book? Robin Sharma.
No. What is Michael Jackson's autobiography?
Oh,
He
Moonwalk.
was famous for that. I think it's a dance.
Yeah.
So
Right,
that
right.
concludes round 2. You
It's a
unfortunately
type
could
of
not
dance,
score
moonwalk.
any rounds, any points in
Oh.
it. No problem, there are still many more rounds. So guys, that concludes round 2. Now let us have a break. But before we go into the break, I want to ask you a question. In the 13th and 14th century, when Genghis Khan was at his peak, he tried to attack Japan twice. However, he could never capture it. Why was it? Think over it.
Repeat question.
When Genghis Khan was at his peak, he tried to attack Japan twice. He failed both times. Why? Think over the answer. We'll be back after the short break.
फामू शिंदे यांची आई ही कविता आपणापुढे सादर करते. कवितेचं नाव आहे आई. आई एक नाव असतं, घरातल्या घरात गजबजलेलं एक गाव असतं. सर्वात असते तेव्हा जाणवत नाही, आता नसली कुठंच तरी नाही म्हणवत नाही. जत्रा पांगते, पालं उठतात, पोरक्या जमिनीत कुमाळे दाटतात. आई मनामनात तशीच ठेवून जाते काही, जीवाचं जीवालाच कळावं असं जाते देऊन काही. आई असतो एक धागा, आई असतो एक धागा, वातीला उजेड दाखवणारी समईतील जागा. घर उजळते तेव्हा तिचं नसतं भान, घर उजळते तेव्हा तिचं नसतं भान. विझून गेली अंधारात की सैरा वैरा धावायलाही कमी पडतं रान, सैरा वैरा धावायलाही कमी पडतं रान. आई घरात नाही मग कुणाशी बोलतात गोठ्यात हंबरणाऱ्या गाई. आई घरात नाही मग कुणाशी बोलतात गोठ्यात हंबरणाऱ्या गाई. आई खरंच काय असते, लंगड्याचा पाय असते, वासराची गाय असते, दुधावरची साय असते, लेकराची माय असते. आई असते जन्माची शिदोरी, आई असते जन्माची शिदोरी, सरतही नाही, पुरतही नाही, सरतही नाही, पुरतही नाही. धन्यवाद. लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
So, guys, welcome back after the break. Before going to the break, I had asked you a question. If you forgot, I will repeat it.
Yes.
When Genghis Khan attacked Japan twice, why did he fail? Why he could not capture it? If you have any ideas?
No, but I can guess he could not reach Japan.
Yeah, that was one of the factors. They were not good at fighting at seas, but they had boats. They could travel. That was not the main issue. There was another main issue. Would you like to try? Both the times they were obstructed by typhoons. So Japan was saved by the storms it is naturally devastated by. So that was the answer to the question. Now let us have round 3, mixed bag. I will ask you a question, you have to write down the answers. Then, you have to write down the answers. You will have exactly 15 seconds to write down the answer. We will see who gets it right. So, shall we begin?
Yeah.
Yes.
Your first question is, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island and Manhattan together form which city? Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten आणि मॅनहॅटन हे सगळे आयलंड्स कोणत्या शहर बनवतात? Start writing now. And 15 seconds are up. We have New York. We have California. California is not even a city. It is a state.
Oh.
A state
Yes, yes,
you will
yes.
find in southwestern
Yes.
part of USA. New York is the absolutely correct answer. Second question. Which Mughal ruler planted 1 lakh mango trees in Darbhanga at a place now known as Lakhi Bagh? कोणत्या मुघल शासकाने दरभंगामध्ये 1 लाख आंब्याची झाड डोंट राईट
नाही,
1 लाख आंब्याची झाडं लावली त्या जागेला आज आपण लाखी बाग म्हणून ओळखतो. You may start writing your answers now. 15 seconds are up. We have Akbar. We have Aurangzeb. It is Akbar. You are absolutely right. Your third question. In 1930, who started the Vanar Sena, which is a children's brigade to help, which was a children's brigade to help the freedom fighters? 1930 मध्ये वानर सेना कोणी स्थापित केली, जी लहान मुलांची एक आर्मी होती जी फ्रीडम फायटर्सना सपोर्ट करायची. You will start writing your answers now. 15 seconds are up. We have
Sane Guruji.
Sane Guruji. We have
नेताजी बस.
Netaji Bose. No, both of you are wrong. It is Indira Gandhi.
Oh.
Indira Gandhi in 1930 started the Vanar Sena. Now, the fourth question. Who would often use the phrase hammer in the air? Hammer is in the air. हे वाक्यांश बऱ्याचदा कोण वापरतं?
की हातोडा आकाशात आहे.
हवेत आहे. कोण वापरतं? You may start writing your answers now. 15 seconds are up. We have nothing. We have James Bond. No, the answer was an auctioneer.
Okay.
Auctioneer. जो
Okay,
निलामी करतो.
जो लिलाव करतो. Wow.
The hammers in the air. When he's about to strike it, when he's about to close the deal, he says, "My hammer's in the air."
Wow.
If someone bids at that time, the hammer's back in his hand. Now,
question.
the fifth and the last question is, on which body part are mittens worn? Mittens कशावरती घालतात? कोणत्या body
मिटन्स म्हणजे एक मिनिट रिपीट कर.
MITTENS mittens. कोणत्या body part वरती घालशील? You will start writing your answer now. 15 seconds are up. We have hands like
Gloves.
gloves. Okay.
फूट म्हणजे गमबूट सारखं.
No, mittens are worn on hands.
Yes.
Mittens means you could say thick gloves. Generally, you would use the term oven mitts. When you are taking things out of the oven, they are really hot. So you wear a special kind of a glove which you can put in and grab the thing. It won't burn you. So that you get the points. Now that concludes round 3 mixed bag. Now let us have round 4 vocabulary. In these 5, we will have 5 questions, and this is a buzzer round. I will ask you 5 questions. All questions are related to vocabulary and they contain the instructions themselves. So let's see if you can get it. And yes, you have to strike something around you, buzz the buzzer,
Buzzer round.
only after I say go. I will not accept it if you do it before that. You may use your paper for reference and you'll have 10 seconds of thinking time. So, shall we start?
Yeah.
Yes.
Rearrange the letters in the word dear, as in loved one, to get what you do after opening a book.
But repeat question.
Rearrange the letters in the word dear, as in a loved one, to get what you do after opening a book. Start thinking. And go!
Read.
Yeah. Rearrange the letters in the word plane, as in the thing that goes in the sky. Plane. To get an Asian country. Start thinking.
Repeat question.
Plane.
But
To get an Asian country. Go.
Nepal.
It was Nepal, very good. Rearrange the letters in the word leak. Leak as in what the plumber fixes to get a water body. Rearrange the letters in the word leak. जे plumber fix करतो. To get a water body. Jalashay, you could say. Start thinking. Ten seconds up. Go.
Lake.
Fourth question. Read the word leisure. Leisure backwards to get a word which means royal.
लेजरचं म्हणजे काय म्हणजे
I don't know what it means. Leisure.
लेजर.
Yeah. Start thinking.
आणि त्याचं काय म्हणजे
Read it backwards.
पण त्याचं
To get
करायचं
a
काय?
word meaning royal. Go.
No.
It was regal.
मला
R-E-G-A-L.
लेजरचं स्पेलिंग काय?
L-A-G-E-R.
मी जे केलं LAG
But still, you could guess it. R-E-J-A-R.
REGGAL regal.
Anyways, no one gets points for that. Read the word bat, as in what you play cricket with. Bat, to get a computer key or a small flap. Read the word bat backwards to get a computer key or a small flap. Start thinking. And 10 seconds up. Go!
Tag.
So that concludes round 4. Now we shall have round 5, confidence round. Let me just tell you the rules. There are 10 questions divided equally amongst the you two. I will begin with you, with Sugita. No, I can actually begin with Sudhanva. I will ask you a question. If you get it right, you get 10 points.
Okay.
So, we will go one by one, okay? Not all at once. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Which famous astronomer was born in 1564 and died in 1642?
Galileo.
Yes!
याला ऑप्शन्स नाही आहेत का?
Nine.
ओके ओके कॉन्फिडन्स.
In Hinduism, Swarg is what?
आफ्टर डेथ प्लेस the place when you go.
I want one word answer.
स्वर्ग.
I was looking for heaven.
Oh.
Some owls are also active during the day. I'm serious or joking?
Joking.
No, I was serious. Complete this movie title. Jo Jeeta Wahi Dash.
सिकंदर.
Yeah. Lords is famous for which sport? Lords.
Cricket.
Yes. Who wrote the famous play Mousetrap? It is a murder mystery play. It's a
Yes,
wonderful
yes.
play.
अगाथा क्रिस्टी.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct. Mg stands for what in the periodic table?
Magnesium.
Yes. Which river flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu? Narmada or Kaveri?
कावेरी.
Yes. A pentathlon is 5, 10 or 15 events.
5.
Yes. Which fruit is rich in papain and is used to make tutti frutti? कोणतं फळ पापाईन नावाच्या एका
पपई.
PAPAIN पापाईन नावाचं एक केमिकल असतं ते त्याच्यात बरंच असतं आणि ह्याच्यापासून टुटी फ्रुटी पण बनवता येऊ शकतं. विच इज दिस फ्रूट?
पपया.
Yeah. So that concludes round 5, confidence round. Now let us have a short break. But before we go into the break, I want to ask you a question.
Sure.
Even our viewers at home, you can try this question. It's a wonderful one. The flag of Philippines, which is the country Philippines, it changes in war. Generally, you would have a triangular emblem on the right side, red color below, and blue color up. In war, the triangular emblem is right there, but the red color goes up to signify that we are very brave. Like this is a very interesting kind of a flag. Like this, somewhat around this, what is special about Paraguay's flag?
पॅराग्वेज म्हणजे
Paraguay एक देश आहे. ह्या फ्लॅगचं असं काय इंटरेस्टिंग
वैशिष्ट्य काय? ओके ओके.
So we'll have a short break. The viewers at home, please start thinking.
उत्तराचा विचार करताय ना मित्रांनो? तोपर्यंत ऐकूया सदाबहार मराठी गाणं. मेहंदीच्या पानावर मन अजून झुलतंय ग, जाईच्या पाकळ्यास दवाजून सलतंय ग, मेहंदीच्या पानावर मन अजून झुलतंय ग, झुळझुळतो अंगणा तोच गारभारा, हुळहुळतो तुळशीचा अजून देह सारा, सारा ग मेहंदीच्या पानावर. अजून तुझे हळदीचे अंग अंग पिवळे ग, अजून तुझ्या डोळ्यातील मोठपण कवळं ग, कवळं ग मेहंदीच्या पानावर मन अजून झुलतंय ग, जाईच्या पाकळ्यास दवाजून सलतंय ग, मेहंदीच्या पानावर मन अजून झुलतंय ग. थँक्यू. लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
Guys, welcome back after the break. Before going into the break, I'd ask you a question. The flag of Philippines changes in war. What is special about the flag of Paraguay? If you have any answers,
No.
There is a bird on flag.
so what? The thing is, the flag of Paraguay is different on obverse and reverse sides. जसा तो पुढून दिसतो, म्हणजे पुढून कसा दिसतो, वरती एक निळी रेष असते, मध्ये पांढरी रेष असते आणि खाली लाल असते आणि मध्ये एक चिन्ह असतं. तो पलटला तर तिन्ही रंग तसेच राहतात,